Hello, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Shannara Vlogs, and today I'm going to be making some fish pakoras. Let's just get all these in a bowl and let it defrost. It's still a little bit hard because it's not fully defrosted, but that's okay. So the fish is all chopped up and I'm going to give it a good wash. My fish is all washed now and ready for the mixture. I'll start off with the lemon juice. It's got a seed in it, so I don't want the seed to go in. So looking at this fish, I'm going to start off with 1 tablespoon of flour. We're going to use some besan, gram flour. I want to use a heaped tablespoon, that much. I'm going to use some of this corn flour, tablespoon. We will add some more flour later. Favorite chili flakes. There's some turmeric here. That's about a teaspoon. Don't need too much of that. Black pepper. That's less than a teaspoon there. Some cumin powder, just a little bit. This is optional, by the way. Oh, the smell of cumin. And then we're going to use some mixed curry spice. So I want to put this much in. In fact, I might put a little bit more in. I'm going to give this a mix and see what the consistency is like. If it's too runny, then we're going to need to add some more flour. By the way, always make sure your hands are really nice and clean and washed really well. Okay, so we need to add a little bit of salt to this as well. So I want to put about that much in there. Salt there. Very nicely coated. But I think I'd like a little bit more flour in this. So a bit more gram flour. The best thing about these recipes is you don't have to worry about getting your weighing scales out or your measuring cups and spoons. So it's time to fry these now. Heating up the oil. Just going to drop them in one by one. Reduce the heat because we don't want them to burn on the outside and be uncooked on the inside. Okay, so I've got my plate ready with a paper towel and I'm going to start taking these out now. Okay, so we're ready for the next batch now.